Good morning. Hello TikTok. So I'm here in Davao inspecting ongoing landscaping work kasi house blessing ng client this week. So they flew me in to check the project and syempre kailangan tutukan kasi it's a special project kasi bahay nila. Of course, you have to give it special love and attention. So very important also na when you hear may payong ka. Of course. What we're doing now is papamock up kami. Sisingit kami ng plants dyan sa loob. Mock up muna importante for widow work like this sa planting and para maiwanan ko sila. Mas matatanim na nila pag alis ko. So widow work, hindi ko sure if it's really legit term, pero that's what we use sa landscaping kapag yung parang mata-mata ng konti. Siyempre, we come here with plans, complete architectural plans, but at the end of the day, sa site, we do necessary adjustments. So can't wait to show you the finished product.